Hey pack leaders, I want to do this video on how to scalp while you're still in position, so you can make, if you're watching it, you can make extra money on the way. Okay, so if you notice how it goes up and then starts to come down, when you start to see red, start to put your limit orders like along here. Sometimes you might think it's here, but it keeps going lower, you keep going lower, but you could add a little bit more on the way down. Okay, now as it comes up, it's just gonna bounce all the way back up, and then you probably be able to sell a little higher, buy a little lower, sell a little higher. So as it goes sideways, you can kind of figure out where it's going to be, and maybe around 83.71 you can buy another one. And let's put like 5,000 or something like that. Okay, as it bounces down, maybe about $5 to $10. It looks like this is a $30 spread here, or $20 spread right now. And then you buy it, sell up here, buy down there, sell up here, buy down here, sell there. As long as you're above the profit line, it's all good. It's gonna be in profit, and just depending how frequently you want to do this. Okay, so you kind of watch the tick marks. I'm on the 1 minute right now, and there's opportunities to buy here, sell there, buy there, sell a little bit, buy here, sell a little bit, buy here, sell a little bit. And then now it's kind of going to a bigger time range, so we'll kind of see if we sell this, it might not come back down, but if it does, great. Set it there, so just in case it's there, you can pick it up and then sell as it rises. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and maybe set an example right now, show you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and sell 83.89. I had filled earlier a small order at 83.81, so it's about $10. So let's go ahead and just take that profit, and before it comes back down too much. 83.88. Let's go with that, and we'll sell. Okay, and I'm gonna cancel this for now. I like to have this sell before I do anything, but you know what? Yeah, you should have sold that on the green. Right now you're on the red, so you kind of want to buy on the red, sell on the green. So as soon as you see green pop up, just put that order in so that it'll pop up and grab it. Okay, but I think it's gonna swing up, and then if you look at, there's a bigger bowl swooping up, so it's just gonna take some time to swing down, swing up, swing down, swing up, swing down, swing up. Now there it is. So let me go ahead and put that order here, 83.97. Let's sell some of that. Sell on the green, buy on the red. It'll fill. I'll make a little quick whatever it is. $2 more, and we'll fill. And then I'll show you another scalp as I buy and sell. So this will probably be a little lengthy video as you watch it. And sometimes it'll hit, sometimes it won't. Maybe I set it too high, who knows. I think I like to maybe set some kind of tool, so I could kind of auto-calculate when I want to buy and sell, and just automatically calculate $1 ahead or $1 below, so that it just hits it. Now I gotta wait $5 because it came back down, so we'll see. Alright, there it goes. I'll probably fill right here, 83.97. That's my price right there at 5,000. So I just made a little bit of cash. Boom. And then I'm just gonna wait for some red to come back down, and I'll buy another 5,000 on limit. I'm gonna probably guess maybe it might drop, since it's kind of doing this loopy deal, up and down, up and down. I might be able to buy, I don't know, 83.91. Or I can maybe just say, hey, we'll pop the ladder down a little bit. I don't know. It depends if you catch it or not, If you don't catch it, then it kind of sucks, but you have to also think, hey, this is the bottom. This is probably where you should load it up. but it's hard to see that in the beginning. You're like, what's it doing? What's it doing? Like, oh, okay, there it is, it's forming. So I kind of anticipate a big bowl, and as it's coming down, you kind of like see a smaller bowl as it comes down too. Okay. So there is. I don't think it filled my entire order, did it? I don't know. That's weird. What happened? No, it filled. Oh, no, it didn't fill my entire order. Eight, 4, 6, 2. You know, I think it filled. Maybe I did something wrong here. I probably sold too much. I'm confused. I don't know. Maybe it bought, but it didn't. I don't know. I'm a little confused here. But anyways, it's gonna break out. So I'm gonna wait for some red, and if it comes down, buy a little more, but bet down here. So I might do that. So anticipate maybe this goes up. Maybe it might swoop back down about half, 0.68 here. So maybe buy some more at 83.98. There we go. It's coming at 83.98. Okay, buy on the red. It's coming back down. But also put a market trigger just in case it drops too much too fast. I don't know. But maybe I'll buy another 5,083.98. Let's buy another 5,000 here. And I might buy another 83.82. So you gotta have some extra funds in order to play this. Okay, if you're all maxed out, you can't do this. So as it comes down, buy, and then know where you filled at, sell it back up again. Okay, so these are little levels here to kind of make notice. So if you were to hit that, you might be able to get a little more inventory, sell a little bit higher, do more inventory, sell a little higher. Okay. Alright, so hopefully that's helped. So this is what I've been using to kind of make extra money along the way. If you're willing to babysit this, as long as you're above the profit line, just keep doing it. Buy, sell, and work your way up. So most likely this is going to be running up. I'm going to probably let this run, hit my rungs, and then maybe pick up a few thousand here and there as it keeps going up. Okay, and I'll probably keep adding inventory to it since I'm able to watch it. Okay. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully that helps you make a few $100 along the way. Currently we're at if I close out, it'll be $402. But we're going to play this because it's going to go up, and I'm here to watch it. Okay, thanks.